Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I have the brand new iPad 10 to unbox and share with you. As always, I can't wait to dive into this unboxing experience. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright folks, here is the box for the iPad 10. You can see that it has a sleek and minimalistic design. On the back, they have listed their key specifications and features. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, it looks fantastic. Let me take it out carefully. So the first thing I notice is how lightweight it is, making it easy to hold with just one hand. The box also comes with a compartment that holds all the accessories. Here we have the USB-C charging cable and the power adapter. We also have the instruction manual and some warranty information. It's always good to have that handy in case we need any support. Alright, that's everything in the box. Now let's move on to the iPad itself. Holding the iPad 10 in my hands feels amazing. The build quality is outstanding as expected from Apple. The 10.2-inch Retina display looks vibrant and sharp, and the bezels around the screen are slim, giving it a more modern and immersive look. On the top edge, we have the power button, and on the right side, there's the volume controls. The new Touch ID sensor has been integrated into the power button itself. It's great to see Apple bringing back Touch ID for those who prefer it over Face ID. On the back, we have the main camera at the top left corner. The 8-megapixel camera captures detailed photos and videos, and it's perfect for video calls and scanning documents. On the bottom, we have the dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, and of course, the USB-C port for charging and data transfer. In terms of design, the iPad 10 retains the classic form with its 10.2-inch Retina display and slim bezels compared to the iPad 9. One significant upgrade is the inclusion of the powerful A14 Bionic chip compared to the iPad 9, which featured an A10 Fusion chip. The A14 Bionic delivers enhanced performance and efficiency, making the iPad 10 better equipped for demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and multitasking. The iPad 10 supports the first generation Apple Pencil, allowing for precise and responsive input, making the iPad 10 an excellent choice for artists and note takers. Alright, that wraps up this unboxing video of the iPad 10. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.